Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to filter your searches by colors in the Amazon shopping application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. After you have done that and you are in the home page, you should look at the top of your screen and you will find there a search bar. Press on it and here you should write in the item that you want to search for example shoes. Just press on search, wait a little bit, and then you will find the filters option at the left side of your screen. Press on it and wait until the list appears, and here you can see the fourth option on the list, which is colors. Just press on it and you can basically see all the colors options here, like for example black, gray, white, brown, beige, red. Now you can just select one of these, for example black, and that color was added basically to your filters. Just press X to this section and you can see that only black shoes will appear to you now in the search results. So yeah, pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.